How to make a ceramic bowl with cutout shapes. I made this bowl as a demo for my students in the pottery class that I teach. It took approximately 2 hours to complete. You will need a rolled out slab of clay, a needle tool or knife tool, a brush, some water, a bowl to hold as a mold, a sponge, a rib, and I used cellophane to coat my bowl. I cut out the shapes that I wanted, so I chose leaves. Then I started placing them into the bowl in the layout that I wanted, making sure that the leaves overlap. I scored and used a little bit of water in between. And then here you'll see I started smearing or pressing the clay, compressing the clay where they came into contact. So you can see where the pieces overlap, it's a little lumpy. This is where I started using a wooden tool to kind of flatten the clay. I also used a sponge to flatten and smooth out the clay. I wanted the inside of my bowl to be smooth, and the outside has that added texture of the leaf lines. I smoothed it out with my fingers and my thumb as well. And here's the finished piece. I covered it lightly in plastic and let it dry slowly for a week. I bisque fired it, covered it with a Celadon glaze inside and out. And I used a little bit of oatmeal glaze as well to add a highlight on the rim. I really like how it turned out. It was simple, fairly easy, and I think anyone can do this project with a little bit of time and the proper tools. I am the naked potter.